hi. So how to upload the YouTube video? First, you go to the video and then you click the plus button and then you choose the video. For example, I'm uploading this video. Okay, so I click next, and here I have the video already, and then you click visibility. Please click unlisted, don't choose private or public, right? And then once you already identify that the visibility of the video, you click next. Okay, this one you don't have to click anything, you just upload the video. So it's gonna take a while before you upload the video, so you can wait for a while. And then once you already upload the video, you can click the button here. When you click the button here, they're gonna show you the link to share inside the submissions. Okay, I already upload the video. You click the three button here and then you click share video. When you click share video, you click copy link. Okay, right, when you have the copy link, you can submit through the Google Classroom. I hope this clear up and answer the questions. Thank you.